Everyone loves to see super water beading. Water beading is a sign of surface tension. It makes washing and drying your car faster and easier, and anytime it rains, Mother Nature washes your car for you. Wolfgang Uber SiO2 Rinseless Wash is a highly concentrated product that can be diluted to make 5 different products: rinseless wash, water wash, clay lubricant, detail spray, and car wash enhancer. SiO2 stands for nano-sized particles of silicon dioxide, which creates a super hydrophobic finish on your car that not only protects the paint, it makes water bead like crazy. Wolfgang Uber SiO2 Rinseless Wash Concentrate creates incredible beading and saves you time and money with 5 different ways to use it. Get the gloss, get the shine, and best of all, incredible water beading protection with Wolfgang Uber SiO2 Rinseless Wash. Visit Autogeek.com for more information.